Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosoza Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend akamompela ngemva kuthi kube khona ama pictures la circulate lapha kuma social media platforms amakwakhe abonakala nje asesimeni lesimatima kakhulu. Situation lahlala kuyo abantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi ayiqa iyathusa nalendlela ukuthi futhi umntwana wakhe unemali guys, but ona mention I think a 6 meter and umquli futhi umjayivi lo dume ngendlela lesimangati niki hit maker is trending, and some people are actually saying ukuthi right for ngamsupport makwakhe kufuna tinake yena samwe senkuthi makwakho makwakho akujiki. Athi ngikufunzele ama comments lalandzelako. Uthi Bonnie, you are very much quick to judge. Have you sat down with her just to find out why she chose herself? Uthi Maspoti 13. Man, I told my daughter that when she's grown, she just needs to take care of herself. As for me, I'll be fine because I'm living my life now. That time, it will be all about her. So please stop judging. Don't take it personally. And table why isn't her mom working hard to afford the lifestyle she wants? Luna Lalapesu Titato underworld riches can be shared with anyone. Angisho allegedly Utintombi and a ritual is involved Kasana. But there was one comment LinkedIn zile yadosisi lobhale ukuthi umntalo wakho nanome ngabe ungathini umntalo wakho ukhulisile and akusukuthi uyamowa, but yes, you need to take care of umntalo wakho uma nawe sowukhulile so right empilweni. Like I was really shocked ukubona ama comments le bantu bathi bona why angasebenzi ukuthola imali yakhe, hey why angadisebenzeli beka kuphi ngesikhathi sakhe beka endana. Are you guys saying ukuthi if so usebenza kahle if so nemali you should not take care of umntalo wakho naye bekumele ngabe udiphandele ngesikhathi sakho? As that's what you guys are trying to say. Are you guys not supporting batali benu financially? Because if ngicabanga ngalendlela every day clearly there's a problem about you. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.